Hi, it's Tuesday, September 29th, and this is Mrs. Sullivan for Social Studies. Your warm-up today asked you, what do BC and AD mean on a timeline? BC means before Christ, and that would be the years before the year zero. AD means Anno Domini, and those are the years after the year zero. Whoops. For today, your objective is to create a timeline to help you better understand how a timeline works. How you're going to do that is you're going to look up events that occurred on your birth date. They can be after when you were actually born, and they can be before you were actually born. And you're going to develop a timeline of events. You'll know you've got it when you can create a timeline correctly that includes your birthday and 4 other events that happened on that day. As you create your own timeline, what you're going to do is go to This Day in History, and I will provide that link in your assignment. You're going to find your birth date, and then you're going to find 4 events that happened on that day. You're going to try for 2 before you were born and 2 after, but that's not always possible. So just as long as you have 4, you will be fine. And then you're going to create a timeline in the assignment slide that includes those 5 dates, your birthday and 4 others, and they are going to be in order correctly. You're going to have a picture for each date, and then you'll be ready to submit. When you are done, depending on how you decide to design your timeline would look something like this. So I have my birth date there in the middle, and then I have 2 things that happened before and 2 things that happened after. So the 2 things that happened before, in 1862, on July 29th, Confederate spy Belle Boyd is captured. On July 29th, 1958, NASA was created. And then after I was born, in July 29th, 1996, Carl Lewis wins his 4th consecutive long jump at the Olympics. And July 29th, 2000, even though they didn't last, Brad Pitt and Jennifer Aniston got married. So your timeline would look something like this. It can be designed very much differently, so I'll explain that in the assignment. But I hope you have a great day, and if you have any questions while you are designing your timeline, please let me know.